Hi, this is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, do I got a cool one for you. I got a 2002 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 with T-Tops 35th Anniversary Edition, and we're going to take a look at it. This car has 18,000 original miles on it. Absolutely beautiful, and we're going to take a look. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take a look at this 2002 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 35th Anniversary car. Absolutely gorgeous car right here. Has the stripes on it that really look good. It's got the little cow hood with the air induction that's really nice. Really looks good. It's got the right wheels on it for the 35th anniversary. Like I said, it's got all the stickers, 35th anniversary stickers all on it. Really nice. We'll take a look at the passenger side of the interior. Car does have T-tops on it. They all look good. All the doors look good on it. Really nice. 35th anniversary there. 35th anniversary on the headrest. These have been very popular cars for us, and they really look good. This one's really nice. Becoming a very popular car. It really looks good. Shut the door here, and Dad's going to help me by opening up the trunk for me. Inside the trunk we have the T-tops that I'll show you. The trunk opens with a button. Pushes open and really just nice and clean. Like I said, it's got the T-tops on it. Really nice. Come with this little mat. It goes in the back there. Kind of has the 35th anniversary on it as well. Really looks good. All the T-tops are in great shape. No scratches or anything. So, really looks good. Has the T-top pads as well, so they don't get scratched while they're inside the trunk. We're going to shut the trunk here. Dad's going to start it up for us. Great sound to it. Cut it off here. It really has a great sound to it. Show you the doors here. All the doors look good on it. Really nice. And clean. This really looks good. Shut the doors here. We'll take a look underneath the hood. Underneath the hood, it's powered by a 5.7 liter V8. It is the LS1 Corvette engine is what they put in these cars, and really looks good. Show you there. But it's really nice. Looks good underneath the hood. It's basically a brand new car with exceptionally low miles on it, and just really looks good. Like I said, 18,000 original miles on this car right here. We'll shut the hood. We'll take one more quick look at the 2002 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 35th Anniversary SS right here. If you have any questions on it, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take this Camaro for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this Camaro for a test drive and see how it does. Like I said, it's got the 35th anniversary right there. All the dash is in great shape. No cracks in the dash. A lot of times when they sit outside, they like to crack due to heat. But this one here is in great shape. We got the T-tops out. It's a beautiful day here in Kentucky. Perfect day to be driving classic cars, and we're going to take this one for a spin and see how it does. Like I said, it's an automatic. It does have 18,000 original miles right there. But all just really nice and clean on the car. Really looks good. take this one for a spin and see how it does. We got a little bit of traffic coming. As soon as it clears out, we'll be ready to go. All right, here we go. Car really runs and drives great. It's got great power, shifts through all the gears the right way. All the instrument clusters work great. Turn signals work in the dash. So we're going to turn around and head back here. And like we do every time, I'm going to have Dad get on it just a little bit and we'll see what this car is made of. All right, here we go. Car's got lots of power, shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent running, driving car. Just smooth as silk. We're almost back here. And like I say every time, don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions, give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, we're going to show you. We're going to conclude the test drive here. If you have any questions, just give us a call. Thank you.